How to fix if iPhone automatically goes to speaker mode while calling someone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open Settings, scroll below and then simply tap on Accessibility. Now inside Accessibility, under Physical and Motor, simply tap on Touch. Now inside Touch, simply scroll below and then tap on Call Audio Routing. Now as you can see, Call Audio Routing is set to speaker. So from here, you simply have to go ahead and set it to automatic. And also make sure that Auto Answer Call is also toggled off. With Call Audio Routing set to automatic, your iPhone will not automatically go to speaker mode while calling someone. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.